Hi friends, welcome to the night edition of Turin Epicurean Capital, and I'm here today with my friend Reine. Hi Reine.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. So can you please share what makes Torino special and why our friends and followers should come over?
Well, I love it here. This is about my third time here, and it's just such a wonderful city. It's walkable, it's friendly. There are lots of things to do. We're at a really busy part of town. It's fun. Everybody's outside at tables having wine and dinner, and it's lively, and it's really a great time. There's so much history here. There are beautiful palazzos here, and the coffee, the food, the wine. Just this whole Piemonte region is really amazing, and Turin sort of captures all the things that are wonderful about it.
And today you went on a vermouth experience, right?
Right, I went to the Martini and Rossi vermouth class where...
Because vermouth and martini is from Turin.
Yeah, got to taste several different vermouths and got to mix my own and bring it home, which was really cool.
I bet.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you. It was great spending time with you.
Fine with me too. Sorry, friends, but we're busy and it's the summer. Bye-bye.